Which matcha recipe sells the most at pop-up drink stands? The most popular matcha recipe at pop-up drink stands is the classic matcha latte made with matcha powder, steamed milk, and a touch of sweetener. The classic matcha latte is a favorite because it balances the slightly bitter, grassy flavor of matcha with creamy milk and a hint of sweetness, making it smooth and enjoyable for many people. Matcha powder is finely ground green tea leaves, which contain caffeine and antioxidants, so it gives a gentle energy boost without the jitters coffee sometimes causes. To make a great matcha latte, vendors whisk the matcha powder with a small amount of hot water to dissolve it completely before adding steamed milk. This helps avoid clumps and gives the drink a smooth texture. Many people don't realize that using quality matcha powder, which is bright green and finely sifted, greatly improves the taste. Also, some stands add natural sweeteners like honey or agave syrup instead of sugar to appeal to health-conscious customers. Interestingly, some pop-up stands experiment with oat milk or almond milk to cater to those who prefer dairy-free options, and this can sometimes increase sales in areas with many vegan or lactose-intolerant customers. A common mistake is using low-quality matcha powder that tastes bitter or dull, which can turn customers away quickly. Always choose vibrant green, culinary-grade matcha for the best flavor. Another issue is not whisking the matcha properly, resulting in clumps that ruin the smooth texture. Using a bamboo whisk or electric frother helps mix it evenly. Some stands forget to adjust the sweetness for different tastes, so offering options like less or more sweetener can improve customer satisfaction. Also, relying on only one type of milk might limit sales since many people prefer alternatives like oat or almond milk for dietary reasons or flavor preferences. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.